Hey everyone, it's Melissa. Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a plan with me. I'm going to be using leftovers from my autumn plaid kit because I had 4 boxes left over, so I thought I would use those. I'm also using a different planner. This is a PP Weeks. It is the grid one. This was gifted to me by my good friend Gwen, who also has a YouTube channel, so she will be linked in the description. Go check her out. She makes awesome plan with me's. But she gifted this to me and I've never used it, and I'm not 100% like in love with my rings. I love the idea of the rings. I love being able to take the sheets out to work on them, but the thing that just doesn't work for me is like it just doesn't end up being cute. I can't put it in like a little thing on my desk. Like I used to be able to leave it open on my desk in like a picture holder thing or like a recipe book holder, and I could see it and use it and admire it and all that kind of stuff. But with the rings, it just doesn't work out that way, and I end up not using it, and I don't use the monthly view. I will kind of go into that in an Instagram post tomorrow. So make sure you're following me on Instagram, the Butterfly Planner, and I just want to try something different. I know which 2 planners I'm getting for next year. I'm gonna not tell anyone until it happens. For sure, I'll do a video on it. But I thought I would try this out because there's no harm, no foul. And it's just sitting in my desk, not doing anything. So I'm gonna try it out today. I don't have any date covers for this one since it is a leftover, and I almost printed out some, but I was like, nah, I'll just use, what I'm gonna do is use 2 glitter headers. I think I have enough to do between the 3. Do 2 glitter headers and then put, I have some date dots that fit the numbers here from my A5. So I hope that you guys like this. And the other thing that the A5 rings doesn't work for me is that the weekends are shorter, and there's no sidebar. And I've really missed my sidebar this last year. I really like having my meals and putting them down, what I've had. It just makes it easier for me, and I've been doing it in my daily, but I like being able to just like flip back and look and be like, oh, we had pizza 4 days ago, we can't have pizza tonight, you know, kind of thing. So yeah, anyways, less yapping and more planning. Right now, here's the thing. Do I go, this one's gonna be my sidebar one, but do I go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or do I do here and then here? I think I'm gonna try it this way. I see most people do it like this, but I think I'm gonna be different and do it this way. Hopefully my lighting is okay. I really would be better if I had my other light, but that's being used in our dining room because we don't have a light in there, and now it's dark when we eat, or getting dark when we eat. So yeah. So how was everybody's weekend? Mine was good. I have decided that I'm trying to do some new different things. So I'm trying to prioritize work Monday through Friday and make a schedule, and which work is the shop right now. And then I'm hoping that, and then on the weekends really prioritizing like family. Now during the week I would still prioritize family, like on the evenings, like my nephew has baseball games at night on the weekdays, so doing stuff like that is different, you know, than like literally on Saturday, this last Saturday, We went for a bike ride, we went to the movies, we really just spent a lot of good quality time, and I feel like that hasn't been happening, and that's where my mental health has been struggling. So I'm going to try to redo my filming schedule. I think I'm gonna cut back. There may be still, Daisy is playing over here. There may still be a Wednesday video every once in a while, but I think I'm gonna stick to a Monday plan with me, and my Friday shop vlog or studio vlog. Come on, Melissa. And then with the occasional bonus video, like I think there might be a bonus video this week, so yeah. But I'm gonna try to film all my videos by Thursday of the week instead of like today. It's Monday and I'm doing this because I don't want it to get into my weekends like it was. I was filming on Saturdays, and that's fine, but I just don't think it's the best for me right now. Like, I think I really need to just really focus in on family, and doing the shop stuff is still really important. But for my own mental health, I will do better with work if my other life is more defined, Now there will be days where I work on the weekends, and that's fine because that's my prerogative, but I'm not gonna schedule stuff. You know what I mean? Anyways, I hope you understand and like that makes sense. Like, I'm not complaining about anything by any means, but I just need to, like I said, prioritize about my life. Let's see. Let's use this blue one up here. And we're gonna make this our dinners. And I have a Daisy up here who is not supposed to be up here. So I'm gonna make this the dinners, and then I'm using this little meal sticker right there. And then I'll just write in that. And then I'm going to use this one here. Like this. And then, do I have habit trackers? Yes, here they are. I think I've been really bad about some stuff, like habit stuff, because it's just hard. Life is just hard right now. Oh, look how perfect that is. So then I can just layer it and then cut it. This is just leftover washi. It's leftover bottom washi, so woohoo. Probably should have cut this differently, but oh well. And then I'm gonna put this down. Actually, no, I'm gonna put it in the middle. So it's kind of like, but I've been bad about like doing my FaceTime routine and stuff like that. I've just been in a funk. I'm sure everybody has been in a funk lately, but it's just been life has just been really hard. And I'm totally willing to admit that. So I'm gonna use this one up down here. I'm just gonna kind of put them like every other. So this counts, this counts. Then we're gonna go, yeah, but then I wanna go choo-choo. And then I would have an extra. I don't know. Oh, I should have brought some washi over to put on this bottom part. Do I have any right here? No. I will. Okay, so I have this Simply Gilded washi. I just used it in my live. And I'm just gonna put it in the middle. I think the colors really work for it. With this kit, I think it's just really pretty with the ombre effect. So, and then just right there in the middle is fine. Okay, so that looks really cute, and I still have 2 boxes that I can, full boxes. So let's put this orange one here, and we'll put it up since the other ones are down. And hopefully I've been in frame this whole time, because that would suck Where should I put this last one? It'd be kind of funny to put it this because they're almost the same. Should I just put it down here or over here? I think I'll put it here. And I'll put it up again. I'll probably layer boxes over these since this is such a small amount of space. I am gonna put a, hey look, a daisy was biting on my stickers. Oh, poop, and she just attacked my leg. So I'm gonna do this. I have a lot to do today, so I think it'll just be better to have a nice little list like that. One major thing is I need to pick up groceries. I didn't bring any extra stickers. Why didn't I bring any extra stickers? I don't know. Oh, the one thing I do for sure want to mark is the 4th is my dad's birthday. So, happy birthday, Daddy. Early. And I didn't bring birthday stickers over, so this is just a hot mess today. And my dad definitely gets a Tigger-O. Okay. So, put him right there. For Dad's birthday today, I have to do grocery pickup. So, I have this cute little guy. It's like a hamster from Sweet Quiet Design. So, that's awesome. Friday, I will be doing a small new release. Just a small one. I do have some big things planned for next Tuesday, because through all next week. Next Tuesday is my shop's 5-year anniversary. I actually had my shop open before that, but it was a printable shop, and then I celebrate the day that I sold my first physical sticker kit. So there will be lots of things happening, including bringing back old kits, and bringing back the first ones. So a lot of you have never seen those, and I think that's gonna be really fun. And yeah, so there'll be a discount, of course, and lots and lots of fun stuff. So yeah, let's see, is there anything else I can put in? Maybe I will put one of these, like a beauty ones for here. Even though that's not hair. I think that looks cute. I don't have a ton planned for this week. I have a friend coming into town in a couple weeks, so we're going to be working on the house a lot, making sure our guest room is ready. But yeah, this is how it looks before the pen and before it's all filled out. Again, make sure you're following me on Instagram so that you can see it. Make sure I'm all the way in here. So that you can see how it ends up looking. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!